Isang pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is resurrection. So, resurrection is the rising from the dead into a new kind of life that is no longer subject to sickness, aging, deterioration, or death. Biblically, it is both the historic event of Christ rising from the grave and the future hope for all who are united to Him. Christ's bodily resurrection is the first fruits and guarantee of the believer's body. The resurrection is central to the gospel. Christ's resurrection vindicates His atoning work, defeats sin and death, and secures our justifications and future glorification. The doctrine affirms bodily continuity and transformation, not abandonment. Our restored bodies will be true, renewed, and fit for eternal fellowship and service with the risen Lord. So, ayon po sa 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 14, sinasabi dito na, and if Christ has not been raised, our preaching is useless, and so is your faith. So, dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuruan. Sinasabi dito na, resurrection gives meaning to life. So, ang muling pagkabuhay ni Jesus ay nagbigay saysay sa buhay natin. Hindi lang basta-basta ang existence natin sa mundo, may external purpose tayo, buhay si Kristo. Next is, resurrection gives hope to the hopeless. So, kahit anong hirap o pagsubok ang pagdaanan natin, may pag-asa dahil nabuhay muli si Jesus. Kung siya ay nagtagumpay laban sa kamatayan, kaya rin niyang bigyan tayo ng bagong simula. Next is, resurrections give us courage to face death. So, hindi natin kailangang matakot sa kamatayan kasi alam natin na may buhay pagkatapos nito. Ang muling pagkabuhay ni Kristo ang guarantee natin na makasama rin siya habang buhay. Next is applications naman po. Pour out your life to God's kingdom. So, ibigay natin ng ating oras at lakas sa gawain ng Diyos. Kasi alam natin hindi sayang ang lahat ng ginawa natin para sa Kanya. Next is, place your hope in Christ's resurrections. And lastly, prepare to cross over death to face Christ. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.